A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
This is Raymond from Stocks and Rentals, and I want to welcome you to my Stock and Rentals YouTube channel. If you have questions about stocks, you are a beginner, I got the answers. So we're going to jump right into it. But I do have a favor to ask. If you can hit that subscribe, like, and share button right now on this video, it helps me to keep helping you and everybody else too. Remember, this is free. Hit those buttons. I would really appreciate it. All right. Number one. Do you have to have good credit to buy stocks? The great news is nobody cares about your credit. You can have a credit score of 350 or 850 or anywhere in between. No one ever is going to ask you about your credit. What do I think about day trading? I don't do it. I always tell people, if you want to know something, if you want to learn from somebody, find that person who knows. I have never day traded in my life. In my opinion, day trading is for experts. It is for someone who wants to look at graphs and charts and spend all day, every day, Monday through Friday, glued to their phone or their computer. I got too much stuff to do. I got too much fun stuff to do to be sitting down day trading. And I also think it's very, very risky. So, you want to know more about that, you got to find somebody else. Should you invest in stocks or rentals first? It really depends on you. I will tell you this. The cost of investing in stocks is a lot lower than getting your first rental. To get your first rental, you need a whole bunch of money. You got to do down payments. You got to do closing costs. You got to get insurance on the property and a whole bunch of other stuff that I talk about in my other rental videos. But to jump into stocks, you just got to fund your account. Some accounts will let you do that for like $10 or $15. Once you get that money in the account, you can start buying. So I would recommend starting with stocks and use some of your stock profits to get your first rental. Does it matter when I buy or sell a stock? No, it is your stock. It is your money. You can buy and sell whenever you feel like it. So if you're making a profit and the profit is big enough for you and you want to get some of that profit, sell. If you think it's a deal on a stock, you like the price, the current price, go ahead and buy. What should you expect if you buy a stock? This is really easy. The price of the stock is going to fluctuate. It's going to fluctuate within one day. It's going to fluctuate as long as you own the stock. So it's going to go up and down. Should I put all my money in one or two stocks? No. I'm going to say it again and again and again. No. When you first start off, you might buy one stock or two stocks. Then if you decide to buy more stocks, I highly recommend that you diversify your account, buy different stocks. Then eventually, if you like the stocks you already own, you're going to go back and add more shares of that particular stock. But don't put all your money in one or two stocks. I don't do it, and the best stock pickers in the world, they don't do it either. Everybody diversifies. Will I have to pay taxes on my stocks? Yes, you will pay taxes only if you make a profit. So if you have a stock for $10 and you decide to sell a stock for $15, you made a $5 profit. And at the end of the year, when you do your taxes, you'll have to pay taxes on $5, not what you initially paid for the stock, which is $10. The brokerage company that you use, they're going to send you a 1099. And then you're going to go ahead and use that. It's going to break everything down in terms of profit, loss, and all that good stuff. But you only pay taxes if you sell the stock at a profit. What type of investment accounts can you open? Generally, there are two investment accounts. One would be a brokerage investment account, and the second one would be a retirement account. Retirement accounts are several. You have 401ks, traditional IRAs, rollover IRAs, Roth IRAs, and there's some others. If I am brand new to the stock game and you have a job that has a 401k, guess what? That is a brokerage account. You want to get active within your 401k. Do you have a Roth 401k? That's another retirement account that you can possibly start working with if you're brand new to stocks and bonds. If you want to, you can open up a traditional brokerage account. A traditional brokerage account can be anywhere. I know a lot of people have heard about Webull, Robinhood. Those are some of the, I call them mobile brokerage houses. Typically, if you want to go and open up an account at one of those, you do it from your phone. But you got the big boys that's been around a long time. I like to use Fidelity. When I make my videos, they're all in Fidelity. So if you want to follow what I do, because I'm going to give you step-by-step how to do everything within Fidelity, you might want to go there to open up your account. But at the end of the day, I just want you to invest and get this money. Please get paid. What is a paper gain or loss? In your journey of learning how to invest in stocks, you're going to hear these words, and it's really simple. A paper gain is, I'm going to go back to the same example. You bought a stock for $10. You now see that the stock is worth $15. You made a 5% profit. That profit is a paper gain. And the reason they call it a paper gain is because you didn't sell the stock to actually get the $5 profit, meaning you sold the stock, now it's in your account, and you can actually transfer the $5 profit out of your brokerage account into your personal account and go to the ATM machine and get that $5 out and do whatever you want to with it. A paper gain means, yeah, you made $5 profit, but you're still in the stock market. An hour later, that $5 could disappear. That's why they call it a paper gain. And everything I just said is the same for a paper loss. Start off with $10, a $10 stock. Later on, the stock is only worth $5. You have a $5 paper loss. If you decide to sell the stock that's now only worth $5, then you have a for real $5 loss, because now you only transfer $5 out of your brokerage account into your personal account, and then bam, you go to the ATM machine and you only can get the $5 out. I'm hoping all this makes sense. This is Stock FAQ. If you have questions that I didn't answer, drop some comments, hit me up directly. I will update you and add more questions to the FAQ. I'm Raymond, Stocks and Rentals. I'm out. Peace.
Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push